Hello everyone, my name is Wendy Sanchez. Now I will begin with the activity of technical datasheets. The sentences with preposition of place are: Number 1. The logo is on top of left technical sheet. Number 2. The title is between the logo and name of academic program. Number 3. The parts of pressure washer are away from the title. Number 4. The ignition button is under the detergent mirror. Number 5. The wheels are behind the nozzle for the water hose. Thank you very much. See you soon.